day for counting.
I love the sun.
2. It's perfect for a stroll.
Get ready for some serious counting fun!
Yay! Fun! Indeed!
We have to find a way to get past them.
Oh, my nose feels funny.
Are you okay, 10? I think.
Oh! That looks like a big one!
Okay, everyone. Concentrate closely. Here comes the tricky part. A-H-H-H. Hold on to your blocks.
ACHOO.
Welcome back to Math Mountain. Now let's look at Oh My.
ACHOO.
I'm flying, but I don't have wings.
Physics says we should land soon.
Whoa! Yeah!
Aim for the fluffy part.
Faster, faster!
We are soaring now. Oh, they're gone. One, two. Where did you go? Oh no! My sneeze was too strong. Oh, a fluffy landing. Woohoo! Incoming. That was a bumpy ride.
At least it was a soft landing. Woohoo! We need to find a way back to 10.
Look at these! They're so bouncy! Yes, and incredibly squishy.
Giant crayons!
Let's cross to the Rainbow Mountains.
Is the mountain that way?
Yes, that's the one.
Yes! If we walk together, we can make it.
La la la, 1 + 1 is us.
Actually, 1 + 1 is 2.
That's me.
orange and red blocks. Woohoo! Look at me! Yeah! Look! It's 10! It's 10!
Over here! We are over here by the giant gummy bears.
1, 2. You're safe!
We're here!
We made it!
Oh, you wonderful little blocks! You found me!
It's so good to have you both close.
I love big hugs.
Me too. I am so sorry I sneezed you away. It's okay, 10. It was like a roller coaster.
A very fast, very orange roller coaster.
We are back together, everyone.
Yay! Hooray! Time to celebrate.
Let's continue our adventure up the mountain.
Yes, the view from the top must be incredible.
We can do it!
1, 2.
And 10 makes a team.
Always stay close to your friends. Look, everyone! We are here! Wow, so many colors! 1, 2. 10. Bye-bye. See you later.